Another thing that you can simulate with force feedback is shape. If I were to draw a simple shape, the forces on that shape would look something like this. There is a downward vertical force, Fv, and that object is reacting that force normal to the surface with a force Fr for F reaction. That reactive force pushes back on the finger, or back on the object, and creates a component in the lateral direction, Fl. Now, if you were to follow along this shape, that vector Fl would change according to where you are in the shape. In fact, if it were on this side, that Fl vector would be pointed in the opposite direction. So if we do something like put a bunch of those shapes together and run our finger across it, so like Craig is doing with this series of crayons, what you get is a pattern of forces in the lateral direction, a pattern of Fl that is a signature of running over that shape. Now, it turns out that if you just play those forces to your finger without an actual change in shape, you still get the perception of having run over that shape. So that's how the perception of force works. And then the third thing that we're able to display with variable friction is texture. And texture is really what I would say it's best at. You can think of texture just in the same way that you think of shape, except smaller. So if we were to take these bumps and shrink them down, we would get something much closer together like this. That essentially is what a texture is.